Ever feel a little unsure about using your debit card for gas? Worrying no more, because in the next 90 seconds, you'll be filling up your tank with confidence every single time. Using your debit card at the pump is just as easy as paying inside the store, and we're going to show you both ways. Let's start with the most common method, paying right at the pump. First, you'll see a prompt to select your payment method. Go ahead and choose debit. Next, insert your debit card into the designated slot, usually with the chip facing upwards. You'll then be asked to enter your personal identification number or PIN. Type it in carefully and then press enter or confirm. Now, you might see an option to select credit or debit. Even though you're using your debit card, you'll want to select debit to use your PIN and avoid potential overdraft fees if you don't have enough in your checking account for an authorization hold. The pump will then ask you to select your fuel grade, regular, plus, or premium, and how you want to pay, by a specific dollar amount or to fill up the tank. Choose your preference. Once you've made your selections, the pump will authorize your transaction, and you're ready to pump your gas. Alternatively, you can always pay for your gas inside the convenience store. Simply tell the cashier you'd like to pay with your debit card, hand them your card, and they'll process the payment. You'll be asked to enter your PIN on their keypad and then sign for the transaction. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to fill up your card using your debit card. Easy, right?